Hi, we are Walkthearts, and what we do, we offer painting workshops all over the world, mostly in Europe and South America. And what do? We take a flight and we teach painting, art history, and art theory, and for a period of 10 days. And then our students are people from all over the world, and we love our job, and this is it. And Monica.
So we are also the happy owners of these Pillowpacker pillows. And where is the other? Pass me.
This is mine here.
Yeah, this is mine. And we've been traveling with our Pillowpacker pillows for more than 8 years already. Initially, we bought them for our canoe trips because we had such a hard time to sleep in our tent. Having tried other pillows, we were skeptical. But the Pillowpacker pillows changed completely the quality of our sleep, and the constant neck pain disappeared. Now they travel with us all over, from Italy to France to Spain and to Colombia, where we offer our art workshops and our trips. They are compact, easy to pack, and so comfortable that we can even use them during our flights or the train rides and the bus, everything. So they are good for both neck and lumbar support.
And they don't deflate during the night, so we do have a nice straight night for the whole 8 hours. And now we do love this pillow, and we cannot travel without them anymore.
Exactly, and the quality is excellent, made in Canada.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Beth and Gary, for this great product. Undoubtedly, you have the best travel pillows in the market.
See you later.